particularly junior doctors, are in the front line in the battle against coronavirus. Many of them in their early 20s, mid-20s. For months now, these junior doctors have been working in very difficult conditions, away from families, friends. India Today's Maushmi Singh caught up with one such junior doctor whose parents live in Sikkim even as she works in Delhi. Here's her report.
This is Dr. Anjuta Devi's world. The Jawaharlal Nehru Bal Chikitsalaya in Delhi. Where as a junior doctor, she juggles shift at the COVID ward, OPD and the emergency. The tea breaks are rare, but they have their moments too. Working in a COVID ward is not easy. There are times when even doctors get anxious.
फीवर विद कफ हुआ था, थ्रोट शॉट भी हुआ था। तो कोरोना ड्यूटी लगने से पहले मैं इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी में थी 1-2 हफ्ता। तो मुझे फीवर हुआ था, तो मैं बहुत डर गई कि मुझे हो गया क्या ऐसा।
Anjuta, as do fellow doctors across the country, take the long working hours in her stride. Because a doctor can't walk away, even if it means exposing oneself to the virus.
और मम्मी मुझे एक दिन ऐसे बताया, एक एग्जांपल लेके बोले कि आर्मी ऑफिसर, आर्मी जो है, जो वार्ड के लिए जो जाते हैं, तो वार्ड ऐसे शामिल करने के लिए ऐसे कुछ ऑर्डर देगा तो थोड़ी ना छुट्टी ले सकते हैं या काम छोड़ सकते हैं। तुम भी ऐसे ही है।
Dr. Anjuta hails from a small town in Manipur. She grew up seeing the plight of her ailing mother, who was a heart patient. She always aspired to be a doctor.
मामा हमेशा चाहती है कि मैं बड़ी होके डॉक्टर बन जाऊं। ऐसे कहानी भी हो, सोने के टाइम पे भी हो, कुछ ऐसे हमेशा इनकरेज करते थे, तुम बच्चे हो, जब बड़ी होगी तुम डॉक्टर बनोगे।
Life in the time of corona can get lonely when your family is hundreds of miles away. After duty hours, Anjuta takes the hospital drop straight home.
After a hectic day at the hospital, Anjuta actually shops for her daily essentials. We've caught up with her while she's buying her stock of nutrients, and you can see that milk and milkshakes and lassi, all the daily stock of energy. I see that you've bought a lot of protein.
Yeah, I'm buying some lassi and some milk toned. So
to keep your energy high?
हाँ, सही है।
कितना मुश्किल है?
बहुत मुश्किल है अकेले रहना, और ये सब घर का सामान लेना रोज के लिए चाहिए भी होते हैं।
No warm hugs or garam chai await her in her rented room. What welcomes her is unfinished chores. Sundays are busier. The day ends with a prayer for everyone. In Manipur, her family is praying for her well-being.
As she takes on this journey to fulfill her family's dream, this daughter of India is a picture of courage, determination, and an undying spirit to serve the country. This young doctor from a small town in Manipur, Katsing, and she stresses on that, is simply unstoppable. With video journalist Pradeep, this is Maushmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.
That's not all.